Next up is Jason Yearling from Bronson, Michigan. He is driving a 480 EX 2007 Honda 400.
Oh, there's just one full mirror. It costs quite a bit of money, but it can go 120 miles per hour. He spun out. They get to run more than once.
The time to beat is 3.933. Next up is a dirt bike.
A pop or something? What? Can you give me a pop? He doesn't have $1,000.
I'll put $1,000 on it. This is right here. I'll put $1,000 on it.
And how put it back in the other. That's all three you go. It's a 19 and 1500.
tippity top right now. That thing's still taller. Whoa, wait until we start falling down. This is the scary part. I'm trying to find people. I don't know where Mom went. I can back so bad. Mom's nowhere to be found.
I can scope everybody out from here. You only go once, don't you?
Yeah. No. We'll go 2 times.
We are on the top of the Ferris wheel. We're not moving.
This is quite a pretty fight.
What the heck? This is so scary. What the heck? I'm an absolute little girl when it comes to heights.
Yes, please. We should do it. Where the heck are the girls at? Where's Mom?